We're about to get into the exact process to making money outside of the Matrix. Doesn't matter if you're aiming to build a six-figure business, or if you just want to escape the 9-to-5 and make money from your phone. My framework saves you years of wasted time. I've done the trial and error so you don't have to. My name is Dylan Madden.
Shout out to Professor Moneybag. Moneybag always delivers.
None of that could be possible if it weren't for Moneybag Madden.
Shout out to Professor Dylan Madden, Moneybag Madden. You are the best professor.
When I went to Dylan's campus, I was like, oh, okay, this is my home.
I used to be 285 pounds, broke, and no purpose. I was told to get real, to go get a job, to go to college. Then I looked at the people saying that. They were stuck, miserable, and broke. I didn't want that life, so I bet on myself, just like you're doing. I built a business from nothing. I didn't have connections, money, or a roadmap. I had to figure it out on my own. Now I've helped thousands of people across Earth do the exact same thing, and now it's your turn. Right now, you are a ghost in the system. No face, no presence, no voice. That ends today. I've got 4 steps to get you fully integrated into what we do here inside of the Hustlers campus. 1, I want you to get a pen and a piece of paper and write this down. You're gonna write down, today is the day I crack the code. Write it on paper, save it on your phone, and say it out loud daily. This phrase rewires your brain. I explain the science behind this in my live calls. Now let's get into helping you understand how to navigate this campus. I want you to introduce yourself in the chat. Say your name, where you're from, and what you're here to build. You can do this inside of the Intro Yourself channel, which is now open to you. It's important that you build your name here because you are no longer alone. You can count on me as your professor and your fellow students. We have each other's back. Next, I want you to upload a new profile picture. I remember faces. You're not just a default NPC, you are now the main character. Next, I want you to post your first GMN. This is how we start the day winning every single day. Introducing yourself breaks the invisible wall between you and between me. This campus isn't just pixels on a screen. This campus is alive. A real profile picture and an introduction from you helps me understand you, who you are, so that I can give you the best advice tailored to your exact circumstances. Your first GMN signals that you are awake, not just another background NPC. Until you've done these things, you're just student number 2,567. Don't stay invisible. Be seen, be known, be remembered. The Matrix tried to keep you sedated, stuck in fantasy land, mindlessly scrolling your life away. While dreams passed you by, economies crashed and burned, but you saw through it, and that's what brought you here. The exact proof you need is here. You are still watching this video instead of mindlessly clicking away. The Hustlers campus is your weapon to escape the Matrix. I'm your professor, and now you are one of us. Welcome to the Hustlers campus. I'll see you in the next video.